I don't care. She's in my room. Do not talk back to me, Miss Fleming.
Oh.
All right, here we go. Derivative as a limit. There's two formulas to find a derivative as a limit. The good old-fashioned, what I learned and what I have always taught, the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Okay, that's the gold standard of derivative as a limit. But old Sal Khan, he likes to throw a curveball at me. He also uses this one, which appears in your homework, so that's why I'm teaching it. The limit as x approaches a number like t of f of x minus f of t all over x minus t, okay? Which is basically the slope formula, where you have x and f of x and t and f of t. xy, xy, okay? y2, or well, I guess this would be x2 and y2 and x1 and y1, okay? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus xy, slope, okay? Derivatives are slope. So let's look at a function here. So he has on one of his problems f of x equals square root of x and t equals 4. Okay, find the appropriate expression. Well, there's not enough information to do this one. Okay, so we got to use the slope formula. Okay, so how do we use the slope formula? Well, bless you. Bless you again. One of my points is x square root of x, because that's f of x and x, okay? The other point would be, well, it'd be 4 and square root of 4. Well, what's square root of 4? 2, okay? So it'd be 4, 2, okay? So if we do the slope formula, so if we go y2 minus y1, square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4, and we take the limit as x approaches 4 for that, because that's what t is, x approaches t, that would be the function that we're looking for, okay? So it's the slope formula, okay? All right, let's take another example. All right, so let's say that they tell us that that the first derivative of a function at e for f of x equals e to the x, okay? So here, they say the first derivative is e, okay? So they don't give us the t and the f of x, so we have to use the first function thing, okay? So using the first one, because we don't have enough information for the second one, remember it's f of x, or f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So this would be f of, or it would be e to the x plus h minus e to the x all over h. Now, yeah, the limit as h approaches 0. Okay, so it depends what you're given, which of these two formulas you use. Okay, so you kind of get the gist of what's going on here? No? Okay, let's do another one. So if they give you g prime of 2 for g of x equals the log of x, Okay. Again, they give you G prime, not just a specific variable equals a number. So you got to use the first one. Okay. So, um, so if we're going at 2, x must equal 2. So it's a log of 2 plus h minus the log of 2 all over h. Okay, because they give you what x is. So it's f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So basically they're two slope formulas, because that's slope. That's supposed to say slope. No? How about that? Okay. Basically, because of derivative, you're finding the slope of a function anywhere on the function. It could be a curve, it could be a straight line. Okay. All right. So see how you can see what you can do getting through this. We're gonna have a little quiz over this on Friday. I'll probably go over some things before the Friday quiz. Trey, you're not gonna die with a quiz on Friday. Okay.